Unit 5. Word list. Ancestor. An ancestor is a family member from the past.
My ancestors came from Germany.
Angle. An angle is the direction from which you look at something.
The giraffe turned its head to see from another angle.
Boot. A boot is a heavy shoe that goes over your ankle.
He wore boots so that his feet wouldn't get wet.
Border. A border is the edge of an area.
The postcard had a pretty green border of pine needles.
Congratulate. To congratulate someone is to tell them that you are happy for them.
Bill and Angela congratulated each other on a job well done.
Frame. A frame is a border for a picture or mirror.
I have to get a frame for my friend's picture.
Heaven. Heaven is the place that some people believe people go when they die.
When I die, I hope that I go to heaven.
Incredible. If someone or something is incredible, it is hard to believe they are true.
I have an incredible story to tell you about my vacation.
Legend. A legend is a story from the past.
There is a well-known legend about a king and his queen.
Praise. To praise is to show that you like someone or something.
The coach praised both athletes after a good practice.
Proceed. To proceed is to go in a certain direction.
My son and I proceeded to the beach so we could go fishing.
Pure. If something is pure, it is very clear and beautiful.
The rose was pure. It had no dirt or imperfections.
Relative. A relative is a family member.
My relatives came by to see the new baby.
Senior. If one is senior, they are the oldest or have been there the longest.
Because he got his job first, Bob is the senior chef.
Silent. If someone or something is silent, they make no sound.
Since no one was home, the house was silent.
Sink. To sink into something is to slowly fall into it.
The boat had a hole in it, and it sank into the ocean.
Superior. If someone or something is superior, they are better than another.
I think cooking outdoors is superior to cooking indoors.
Surround. To surround something is to close in on it from all sides.
We surrounded the suspect on all four sides.
Thick. If something is thick, it is wide and solid.
The fog was so thick that I couldn't see through it.
Wrap. To wrap is to cover something on all sides.
I wrapped his gift and put a bow on it.